Stop wasting time changing layouts in PowerPoint or Word. You don't have time for that. Below, you'll find professionally designed benefits guide templates inside Flipsnack, a platform built for employee benefits materials that make it easy to create, share, and track every guide in one secure place. Here's how it works. Choose your favorite template and click Use this template. Create a free account. It only takes a few seconds. Now you can start editing with your own content, offers, and packages. And that's it. Are you ready to share it with your clients? Just hit the share button. Send it however you want. Email, WhatsApp, or simply copy the link. Need to make any change? No problem. Update the content anytime. The link stays the same. No need to resend. Still need a PDF version? You can always download it too. This template is just a starting point. Your benefits guide is now a trackable, easy to update resource built specifically for employee benefits use cases. Curious to see what else you can do? Well, book a 30-minute call with our team and we'll show you exactly how you can manage your benefits materials with Flipsnack.